It's been labelled the holy grail of immunology, a universal influenza vaccine that would provide protection to all strains of seasonal flu. The Australian National University has been working on it for more than 20 years. Now, a Canberra company will take it to Indonesia for trials. The researchers who developed the vaccine hope it'll play a key role in preventing global pandemics.
It's been a work in progress for more than 2 decades. A universal flu vaccine to protect billions from deadly influenza strains.
It's one of the holy grails of immunology to find a vaccine that gives this broad spectrum protection.
Since the first outbreak of swine flu in the early 80s, researchers at the Australian National University have been working overtime to develop such a vaccine.
There was a great political kind of pressure to develop something, so I tried it on influenza and it worked.
Now the product's ready to trial and a Canberra vaccine company has secured its first customers.
We decided that Indonesia, being our closest one of the closest countries, a very large population, which would be devastated by a new pandemic influenza if it were to occur and be very serious.
The scientists say tests on animals had produced encouraging results, but the vaccine hasn't been tried on humans. That will now happen in Indonesia.
This approach is very new for us, so we are very exciting today.
It would replace the seasonal flu jab, with only 2 doses needed in a person's lifetime.
You wouldn't even have an injection, you have an intranasal. You just sniff it like an asthma drug or something.
And that will provide broad spectrum protection against any as yet unknown influenza virus that might emerge. That's the plan.
And with international travel unlikely to fall in the long term, new weapons against possible pandemics can't come fast enough. Jessica Nairn, ABC News, Canberra.